Dorgard has a nighttime release facility, so if you wanted all the doors to be shut during the night time and release at a certain time of day, this can be set simply by using the switches on the back. Using the instructions, we're going to set this door guard to release at 8 o'clock in the evening and then reset at 8 o'clock the following morning. We go to dip switch 4, which is the bottom switch here, and just switch that over, and then that's set. Now it's really important that if you want it to release at 8 o'clock in the evening, you have to set the batteries in the unit at 12 o'clock midday, and that will set the internal clock so it will release 8 hours after the batteries have been put in. And you also have other options if you want the doors to not hold open for different periods of time as per the user guide. So the door guard is now set to release at 8 o'clock in the evening and will reset at 8 o'clock the following morning. Between those times, if you try and hold the fire door open, the plunger won't lock down, it will just release automatically. Another important thing to remember is that when you come to change the batteries on the door guard, you will need to do that at the same time as what you've set the nighttime release for. So when we change the batteries on this one, we'll do it at 12 o'clock noon.